Bowe, he joined our troops in Afghanistan. He tiptoed to the camp of Taliban. Like Joan Rivers, he asked them, "Can we talk?" They said, "Sure, long as it's from this cell block." Bowe just stayed long enough to get their general sprung. He's Bowe Bergdahl and Barack Obama. Bowe's dad had sympathies in Guantanamo. He probably hatched a code like Geronimo. I hate this country first, or through and through. Yeah, and likely glad when Bowe got snarled up too. Bowe and Jim both knew Barack Obama would come through. They're the Bergdahls. Dun, 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 dun. They're the Bergdahls.